Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up Hey Google on your Android phone. Okay, first of all, let's just open our Google application on our Android phone. This is my Google application, so I'm going to open it. Then we can tap on our profile button right here. Tap on this profile button, then you're going to tap on settings. Okay, and there are some options for you, and since we want to set up our Hey Google, we can tap on Google Assistant. Then just wait for a moment. Okay, then you're going to tap on Hey Google and voice match, and here you can activate or set up your Hey Google feature on your Google application. You just need to click on the toggle button to activate the Hey Google feature. And I guess that's how we can set up Hey Google on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.